As humans, we thirst for knowledge. We ask profound and difficult questions, and we yearn to understand our role in the universe. We are constantly adapting to an ever-changing world where unforeseen challenges arise and age-old problems only seem to worsen. That's where the MIT Portugal Program comes in. A collaboration which inspires a unique environment where science, technological research, and education all flourish.
MIT Portugal has a history of turning research projects into products and solutions. This collaborative ecosystem targets innovative research projects with the potential to address complex global challenges like climate change and building sustainable cities.
Since 2006, the MIT Portugal program has facilitated academic and research opportunities for students and faculty. The program has also developed an international partnership of global players with a common goal of creating a sustainable impact on people, research, universities, and industry.
We love the collaborations between faculty, students, and researchers from MIT and Portugal. We all share a culture of hard work and a focus on sustainability. I know MPP will continue to thrive as we create new opportunities for the MIT Portugal community.
Our thirst for knowledge is never fully quenched, as our questions never cease. The MIT Portugal program challenges the global community to engage with cutting-edge research and ideas.
We promote a series of activities to challenge the community. For example, the Blue Origin Payload competition, where Portuguese university students work with MIT teammates to design a nano experiment to fly with Blue Origin's New Shepard rocket. We also have workshops on digital transformation and data science as a driver for research development, and many other opportunities for students to study at MIT and in Portugal.
MIT Portugal program wants to change the world and leave an indelible mark by driving research and innovation in 4 emerging areas: climate science and climate change, earth systems, digital transformation, and sustainable cities.
Last year, MPP launched several initiatives that funded 7 flagship projects and 35 seed and exploratory projects. We also funded 40 PhD doctoral grants for students studying in Portuguese universities. Each of these is a collaboration between the Portuguese R&D ecosystem and MIT.
In the end, we know that all our answers will only create more questions, and the cycle will continue as the world evolves. MIT Portugal Program.